Ladies and gentlemen, you have come here today so that we can meditate. Listen to my words. Words like this. I take a seat before my dinner time, acting like I'm lazy. All the truth holds that I'm busy with my inner mind. Pure contemplation, filling up my inner vibes with pure relaxation. I gotta try and stop this nonsense flowing through my conscience. I got this ambition to keep on rocking. I want this time that I'm casing the quick pace. A couple years on my plate says I'm feeling out of place. A city in my blood, but a stranger by the face. A difference in the tongue and a difference in the taste. Now I'm chilling in the sun, trying to meditate, having a little fun with no time to waste for the season. I please my needs with some green trees, knowing how my eyes bleed with the leisure. Let me bring peace to your location as I spend my time in a state of meditation. I need you to close your eyes and visualize moments where you found peace in your lives. Come and tune into my station as we fall into a state of deep meditation. Studying my inner mind, reading all the bitter signs to recognize the potion and take in the better lines. Feeding people with a better side, cause I wanna see you smile and leave your past behind. Start living for the moment, you own this. Only you can make it golden. Pursue a better nosedive into a future for the holding. And never let go as you reside with lines capable of moving aside all the rawhide. This is done through a mental exercise. Slide show your life to become a better guy. Never get beat down, you just gotta read the signs and listen to street sounds. So just come and recognize my mission as my lyrics that I'm spitting are of limited edition for you to listen to in infinite persistence. I'll be waiting for a minute, wondering and listening, though I'm hoping that you're bringing strictly uniqueness. A rhythm while you're spitting a dozen, copy all the teachers. As I'm grading all your cats and studying your stats, I observe to stipulate your weakness that you're bringing to these tracks. Imagine a field where cats come together to keep it real, trying to rumble through a steel jungle, but they forget, oh they forget, that your minds have to stay humble. Thank you.